So today we are going to be doing a full transformation here on my channel. I am super excited because I haven't done like a full face beat in a really long time and I am really excited. So, really quick, if you are not yet, please hit that subscribe button down there. It's red, it's free, and you become a part of the GlamFam when you click that and then the bell notification next to it. I just wanted to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Deck of Scarlet, and you guys already know I've worked with them many times, many times in the past, and you guys seem to love them as well. I get messages all the time regarding Deck of Scarlet and how much you guys love them. You heard about them first on my channel, and that makes me so happy and excited. And so this month, I am working with Deck of Scarlet on the Wesley Benjamin Carter. If you don't know who he is an amazing YouTuber that does some crazy awesome makeups. He is honestly such an artist and I love all of his makeup tutorials. When you open it up, the palette looks like this and it's beautiful. So you have this really gold shimmery color, probably a highlight, and then this blush color here. This is Firefly and this is Candy Bloom. Look at I'm so excited about, guys, you already know I'm so excited about this color. So you have Cashmere, Innocence, and Hazelnut, and then when you open the other side of the palette, you have two lip colors, Plush Petal and Berry Bite. And then the add-on product that you get with your Deck of Scarlet subscription this month is this Deck of Scarlet Glow Up Jelly. I am so excited about this, guys. Oh my gosh, look, this is like very beautiful. Look at that, guys. Look at the shimmer. Alright, if you guys don't know about Deck of Scarlet, they are a monthly subscription service that you get a palette with different face products, blush, contour, highlight, eyeshadows and lip colors, and then you get a extra little side item as well, whether it be an eyeliner, an eyebrow pencil, a highlight jelly. If you use my link down below, I will put it in the description, you will get 30% off of your first month of Deck of Scarlet, which is exciting. So every 2 months you get a palette and a little add-on product. Also, you can buy any of their products that you really love and adore, buy their own now, which is awesome. And to make it even better, it's only $29.99 every other month. And you also get to discover a new beauty YouTuber or artist every other month, which I find so awesome. Alright guys, so first things first, we gotta prime. I am going to be priming with the new Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So we're just going to move this hair piece, by the way, it's fake, just so you know. You know, I like to keep it real here. We're just going to place this all over our face. See that? That's my hair. Yeah, I can't hide that. The next product that we're going to be going in with is the ColourPop Foundation. This is the ColourPop Concealer in Light 12. Should pop that underneath our eye. What I like about this concealer is it has a pretty wide doe foot. So like, look at all the product I'm getting off of it, which is crazy awesome that I didn't have to dip in twice. We're gonna go up here, around our mouth, and around our nostrils, and then down the center of our nose. Now we're just gonna go in and blend that out with our beauty sponge. And then a little trick that I like to do is once I'm done or almost done blending this under eye out, I like to just pounce it on top of my eye to quickly add a base for our eyeshadow. We are going to go in and set underneath our eyes with the Laura Mercier powder. And then I put a little bit on the sides of my mouth for my smile line. See that? Ugh, needs to go away. We're then gonna move on to the eyes. If you look really close to my eyes, guys, you will see the texture and the dryness going on my eyelids. That is actually from a allergic reaction that I had to an eyeliner. It's just now going away and, you know, just kind of settling down. Hopefully that will be gone in the next, you know, week or so. But I couldn't wait to play with this, so we're gonna jump in and we are gonna go into this Innocence color and we are going to pop that right into our crease. Now we're gonna go in with cashmere and hazelnuts. We are gonna put cashmere on the inner portion of our eye and hazelnut on the outer portion of our eye, and then blend the two out seamlessly into this beautiful blue we got going on right now. We're actually going to go in and contour our face. So I'm going to be using the NYX Highlight and Contour Palette, and we are going to go in with these two mixed. I'm going to chisel out this cheekbone before we put our blush on and our highlight. Right now I'm just trying to get the two even, and then I go in and I like to just buff it out. Pounce this on the sides of my nose. For this I'm using only the lighter brown color. I like to go in with just a little translucent powder just to sharpen that line up right here. Just like that. And then I like to go down my nose again. So we are gonna do the mama of all wings today. We're gonna do a very, very dramatic wing, and I am really excited. Alright guys, I'm gonna be using the technique that I showed you guys on my Hooded Eyes eyeliner tutorial to do this wing. I will link it somewhere up here if you guys would like a more in-depth tutorial. You don't know what it's like. Just a thin line right here. And I'm just gonna connect it to the liner. Now we're just going to tight line. Right, and now we're gonna go into this gorgeous color called Candy Bloom right here. And we're just going to put that onto our cheeks. Okay, a little too much, little too much. Just blend that out. It's fine, y'all. It's fine, it's fine. We're good, we good, we good! I'm not freaking out, you're freaking out. Ooh. I'm gonna pop a pair of lashes on real fast. These are from Black Label Lash. Oh my god, guys. These are called Olivia. Ooh. She pretty. Make sure you check out their Instagram. Black Label Lash is actually a smaller lash company that is local to me. You know, let's show them some love. Go check out their lashes. They are really, really amazing. Ooh! I am feeling this lash. Shout out to my aunt and uncle that got me this cup. We are going to go in to this Beautybyjosiek color right here with our F03 High Cheekbone Highlighter Sigma brush. By the way, guys, I do have an affiliate code with Sigma if you guys would like to use it. if you would like to help support me, I do get a very small commission off of everything that you buy off of Sigma. And let me tell you, I would never stray you guys to go somewhere where I didn't truly believe in their product. And Sigma has some crazy good makeup brushes. Here we go. Here is the brush. We're just going to lightly, dang. Now I'm going to be taking this little tiny bitty pencil brush. This is by Sigma as well. This is the Detailed Lip LO4 brush. You can see how tiny this little baby is. It's really amazing for highlighting your nose. On the very center of the tip of my nose. Now for the jelly. And we're just going to go in and just pick up a little bit and just pounce it on the gold part. The gold highlight that we just did. Just pounce it, pat it. Do not rub it because this is a powder product underneath, so you can't really rub it, otherwise it'll go everywhere. I'm going to put a black lip on. Yes, I'm sorry, I'm doing a black lip, but you know what? I love me a black lip, and a lot of you guys love it too. So, if you would like to do this look without a black lip, by all means, do this look without a black lip. I'm gonna put a black lip on. Black lip on. That is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. It's red, it's free, and you become a part of the GlamFam. That is it. I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all so very much. Bye!